Hi, you guys. No, not like that. What up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Yay!
Today we're gonna be trying the Volcano noodles. Now we already tried these ones, which is I guess the 1-time spicy. We already tried these, which is a 2-time spicy. And if y'all haven't seen that video, go back and check that one out, because that one's funny as hell too. So the other day we was buying noodles and we we came across the Volcano noodles. And I said to myself, we have to do that one. Because, I mean, we already did 1 and 2, which is 2 is like hell, for real. So, Volcano is going to be, I don't know. Point is, it's going to be hot as hell.
I'm scared.
You scared?
I'm ready for the drinking part.
Well, we took to Instagram and did a poll and said, should we do this drunk or sober? A lot of you guys said drunk.
Drunk. You alcoholic.
So, what are we going to do, baby?
We're going to drink.
Damn, what you hugging it for? Little alcoholic? We got a 12-pack of minis, the 8 float ounces, Budweiser.
The best.
Right? 8 float ounces. Now that's 6 and 6, which that probably bring us to maybe a little mini buzz. So we got 3
extra ones.
What are these? The 12-ounce cans?
Yeah.
Budweisers to help us boost a little more. Right?
And if that don't work,
We got one more surprise for you guys. Just one more. Bam! Now this should bring us to that drunkenness that y'all want us to be at. Correct? Y'all want us to be drunk while eating these Volcano noodles, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Matter of fact, we might just take a few shots of the hypnotic first and then start chugging these beers. Wow. That's gonna be freaking
work tomorrow.
I am sorry, but tomorrow I will be attending work a little hungover.
Hungover, you ain't lying.
It's alright. At least we don't gotta get up till 8:45.
You ain't lying.
Also, I wanted to try these rice cakes. They're spicy rice cakes because last time we ate regular rice cakes and they were
disgusting.
nasty as hell.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. It should taste like dirt. And don't ask me how I know what dirt tastes like. I was a bad kid. Anyways, these are rice cakes and they're spicy. And from what I know, a lot of people say they're good. But hell, we don't know. So we're going to try them. Because you know when you drunk, everything tastes good. So let's just do some taste testing today while we drinking, right?
You think it's gonna taste good?
I don't know. It better. For $3 fucking, it better. All right, you guys. Let us start the drinking. Damn, girl, you ready popping bottles? In my ear?
You didn't hear me straight.
Kids, don't try this at home. No kid try this at home. You leave your parents' liquor alone. You leave their beer alone. Don't say we taught you how to do this. Kids, don't try this at home.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys. We're back. And we're mighty tipsy.
Yeah.
Not blacked out drunk, but we were tipsy. Okay? You tipsy, baby? Yeah, she's tipsy. All right, so she drunk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ounces. Y'all do the math. Y'all do the math, because we are too drunk to do the math. I drank 3 12 ounces and 1, 2, 3, 4 8 ounces. Okay? Huh? Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Point is, y'all do the math. Again, 3 12 ounces, 4 8 ounces. I might have drank more than she has, or she might have drank more than me. I don't know. But who gives a fuck? We're both tipsy. We took
The bottle's over there.
where? Oh. The bottle of hypnotics over there. We took some shots of that before we even got started with the beers. Just to be sure. You know,
Just a little bit.
Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit.
Just the smidge, like the smidge.
Just, oh, mine was close.
Like the smidge.
This is what's big.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Because
That's,
we're not alcoholics.
we're not.
No, we don't do that.
And like we said, kids, don't do this at home. Don't do this. We grown. We some grown ass motherfuckers.
They want to see my ID? I'm old enough.
I'm old. I'll show my ID. I'm old enough to be grandma. I'm just kidding.
You're not that old.
I'm not that old. I'm old enough to be a mama, for sure. Your mama. The Volcano noodles came in a cup. We separated it.
Look,
okay?
these little tiny cups.
Our little tiny bowls.
Oh,
These are like
bowls.
shot bowls. Like how we got shot cups, shot glasses, whatever. We got shot bowls. How about that?
Is it just me or do they smell like barbecue? I can't smell it.
Oh, they do smell like barbecue. You know what they smell like? Those seasoned chickens from like Supermercado. They smell like those. The chicken, the seasoned chicken that they been having.
I don't smell the chicken.
You don't smell the chicken?
Talking about before it's cooked?
Yeah.
I don't smell uncooked chicken.
I smell cooked, uncooked, a little bit of cooked, something cooked.
You funny.
You gotta smell your food. I know I ain't the only one who smells my food. Anyways.
You see how I gotta smell it because I can smell all this nuts?
Oh no, I dropped some.
Pick it up. No.
Oh my god, did I make a mistake?
Is it good?
I couldn't taste it.
Okay, ready?
You ready?
We can-
Anyways, let's get right up into it.
We're not gonna get waters?
I got more beer in this cup.
Oh, I don't get no more.
Well, if you want some of mine, you can take some of mine.
Fuck it. Ready, set, go.
Oh hell no!
This opened up my nostril.
Oh fuck! What the fuck did we just do? What did we get ourselves into?
What?
You slobbing out the mouth? Whoa, she passed that.
I'm still here.
You still here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Baby, you slobbing at the mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm drunk, right? But I can still feel the numbness.
I feel like this took away my bug.
You ain't lying. This shit waking me up. I can feel the ooh. Baby, you okay? Oh my god, this whole is it numbing your chest?
Yes.
I thought by being drunk you weren't gonna feel nothing. Nah, baby, it's waking me up. Oh my Jesus. Maybe we should try one. Get a little rice cakes. I'm gonna go ahead. Try the little rice cakes. You okay, baby?
No.
No, you're not okay? Damn. These hoes are fucking. Oh my Jesus.
But look at them.
They
They're
don't
not
even.
even red enough. Like,
You wouldn't even think that they were spicy.
and they smell like fucking barbecue.
Oh, hell yeah. These hoes are some sneaks. You know what some sneaks are? Some sneaks are the motherfuckers that don't look like shit, but be a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, fuck them hoes. Let me try, Let me try these rice cakes. You gonna taste one, baby? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got it on my nose.
1, 2, 3. They're chewy.
Spit on you.
Kind of taste like tomato soup. They're actually better than the ones that we tried last time with our noodles. Y'all ain't seen that video again. Like I said, rewind, go back to our other videos, and check that shit out. Whoa! Here, we'll show y'all what they look like.
I hope they can see that.
I hope. Oh.
My blankie.
That needs to be washed.
I guess it was a bad idea to use it as a mantel.
They were saying another it was our mantel. Oh my god!
It's not my blanket.
Oh my god!
It's not a blankie.
It's not a mantel.
No, it's a mantel, but it's those fancy kinds. You know what I'm saying?
Fancy
Not a blankie.
Hey, damn baby, we need to wash now.
Baby, you messed up my blankie.
I'm sorry, baby. You started it.
But you literally went.
Well, I was trying to show them the noodles. You know what? I'm about to say fuck it. Eat all them hoes.
You're gonna eat all of them?
I'm hungry.
But we're gonna go get tacos. Put them all in your mouth. All of them. All of them. I want you to feel the burn all at once. All of them. 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 Oh, damn, I'm bad. Swallow. Swallow. You still got more. Don't do that. Ew. Maybe I should go get her some napkins. Gosh, I can't even walk straight.
Woo. Woo.
Baby, hold on. I'm coming.
I
Are
can't
you
breathe.
quiet?
It's burning. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Wait. Oh my god, that shit burn. Oh my god, I can't even taste this fucking beer.
Baby, we have a problem.
What's the problem?
You were not recording.
You swear to God.
No, because it was at 0 when I was just screwing this.
Huh? What do you mean 0?
Yeah, I was unscrewing this so I could go towards you.
Oh,
like this.
hell no.
I grabbed it like this and I was going like this.
Baby.
I didn't miss.
Okay.
I believe. Oops, sorry.
Okay.
You okay?
Wow. Damn, baby wasted all her noodles. She didn't eat
You
nothing.
make me feel like I'm a vagina.
You're a vagina. You're a pussy. Eat them, baby. Come on, show them what a true Mexican look like. You from Mexico? Show them.
I don't mean nothing.
It means a lot, baby. Ooh. Oh no. Hold on, let me check my beer. You got this, baby. You got this, baby. You got this, baby. Here goes some beer waiting for you. Here. Drink some beer. Oh my god.
It's like I could just feel it, my nostril opening as soon as I...
It's the spice. Go ahead, drink your beer. Drink your beer. No? You got this, baby. You got this. You're the champion. Come on now, you like spicy. You're Mexican. Mexicans love spicy. Don't let these white people fool you. Don't let these Asian people think that you nothing. Cause you something, baby. You something. Mexican people eat the spicy shit on a daily.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do. Don't let these Asian people think that we not nothing. Like we can't take this volcano shit. We can take this volcano shit, baby. Show 'em. Woo! Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Yeah, you swallowed that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want some beer? It's okay. It's okay. We Mexicans, baby. This shit don't faze us. Tell them it don't faze us.
Don't face me.
Yeah. Don't faze us.
No, not me and my baby.
Not at all. It phases a little bit. Exagerada eres. You exaggerating, baby?
Hell no.
Hell no. This shit's spicy. Hey, listen. This shit is spicy. Alright, you guys. That's it for today's video. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. We done.
Yep.
We completed this little volcano noodle challenge.
Yep.
We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
What you gonna do now, baby? You gotta redo this all over again.
I ain't doing this shit no more.
I was just kidding. We got it.
God.
Like, look at my girl. Look at her. My girl's crazy because she wanted me to drive out to Oak Cliff. Why you want me to drive out to Oak Cliff, babe? Oh, yeah. To get some fucking tacos. That's why the fuck she wanted me to drive out to Oak Cliff. Get them bomb-ass tacos from El Tacazo. If y'all never, I'm sorry, guys. If y'all never tried El Tacazo in Oak Cliff, off Westmoreland and, what is this? Davis, I think? Davis? Y'all need to try it. Because it's open 24 hours. Got some good ass tacos. And yeah, it's good. And now we live all the way in Grand Prairie. We drove all the way from Grand Prairie out here to get some fucking tacos. Like, who the fuck does that? We do. If y'all haven't tried it, go try it, bro.